All right, guys, on the bench, we have a President JFK. I'm a fan of these radios. This is actually, you can see I already started on this one. Yeah, I wasn't going to do a video on it, but then I said, well, you know what? I'll go ahead and just do a video. So we got it's a dual final radio. And, yeah, you got FM, AM. There's no sideband on this one. But it is you can see this one's a little banged up. Not, I wouldn't say in the best shape, but once it's cleaned up, it'll be a little bit better. So I started to, there was some like white dots here and there, so I kind of cleaned those up the best I could. And you can see here that the channel display, the little cover on it has some sort of discoloration. So I think at some point somebody had this front faceplate off, because these LEDs were out of place as well. So I originally had this front faceplate off myself to try to see what was going on back there, and I managed to get those three LEDs back in place. So now you can actually see what's going on when you switch it over to high-low and the TXRX light. So yeah, those are back in place now. I'm going to straighten out that little needle on the meter there, which I didn't notice before. So I would have done that when I had the faceplate off. But yeah, I'm going to end up cleaning this up a little bit better and making it look a little bit more presentable. It has some mods. The customer wants this returned back to original. It is getting an LED, white LED in the meter. But you can see it has some sort of channel mod, I believe. Somebody added a resistor back there for the talkback, so that's getting removed. And yeah, just returned back to original. Obviously this Joel tag there is coming off as well. So, and I'll get these covers cleaned up as best I can. Yeah, just get the radio a little bit more presentable. I can't work miracles, but I can get it looking better than what it is. Sometimes you do more damage trying to clean up some of these, sometimes the silk screening, or in this case, the aluminum lettering that's behind this black coating. Sometimes you can make things worse and actually scratch it off and, whatnot. So you have to kind of be careful. But in this case, I think with a little bit of care and a little bit of finesse, I can get this radio looking a little bit better. And yeah, recap and alignment, and that's it. So I'll get to it, get this thing recapped, aligned, and cleaned. I don't want to make too long of a video for you guys, but yeah, kind of just a before and after. So I got all the I took off all the knobs already. Anyway, they're in there. I'll get those cleaned, and yeah, that's really about it. So let me get to it. Stand by. All right, radio's all recapped. I noticed while recapping, see the 3 holes there? That's TR23, which when I looked it up in a service manual, it had something to do, it was a part of the noise blanker circuit. I'm not sure why somebody would remove that, but I do happen to have one here. I'll put in. It's 2SC 1675, I think. What's that say? Yeah, 1675. So I'll be putting that back in. Yeah, this thing is just about ready to go, other than the cleaning. I'll have to do that next. But yeah, all right, stand by. All right, so here's the caps. There's the talkback resistor taken out, and that's that mod I was also taken out. Yeah, there was a couple of leaking, there was a couple of caps that were leaky, a couple of the smaller ones. But yeah, it's a good working radio, good listening radio as well. Cleaned it up, LED in the meter, got the needle straight. Got it as best I could. I think it looks 1000% better. You'll see it once the you see a little bit better once the covers are on it. But yeah, I got all that haze off that channel display gone. All the crud and stuff off the grooves on the knobs, they're all gone. Yeah, so it's a way better looking radio. So all right, let me get the covers back on, and I already have the signal generator warmed up, and we'll do the sensitivity test first. As you can see, there's already an S9 signal there, but let me get the other covers back on, and yeah, we'll do our normal tests. All right, stand by. All right, well, here it is. Clean. I think there's a huge difference between how this radio came to me and how it's going back to the customer. It's the best I could do without completely scratching up the black overcoat over this aluminum piece here. So yeah, it's sometimes you gotta walk a fine line here between getting something clean and, you know, losing that coating. So, but it came out really good, I think. Yeah, it's a good. I like the black. I like the way like the export President radios look. But anyway, yeah. So there's an S9 going to her. Let me tell you, it's a good listening radio. All right, -70. Let's do the sensitivity test. Okay, everything's on. It's -70, it's -80, -90, -100, -110. It's -111, 112, almost 113. No, -112. Alright, it's a good listening radio, no doubt. So, yeah, that's what we got for sensitivity. Let me get this on the dummy load and the watt meter, and we'll see what she's doing for power. Alright, stand by. Alright, it's hooked up to the dummy load. We'll do the power levels first. So let's go back down. So this is adjusted to President specs. So we got just under like 1 watt, right around 1 watt. It's on the low. And then let's go to high. Right around 18. So let's see what there we go. That's a little bit better. Yeah, so we got yeah, just on the 1 all the way up to 18. Okay. So we got right at 1. Audio. Let me shut this off here. Alright. Let's go to 4. So right around 4 watts. Audio. Pretty much normal, right? 11, 12 PEP. Alright, let's go max. Audio. It's actually pegging the needle. Let me put on PEP. Audio. Like 35. So there we have it. So that's what we're doing. That's what we're doing for power. So, all right, let's see how it sounds on a monitor radio, and then hopefully we can still catch some skip. It's kind of later on in the evening, so we'll see what happens. But all right, let me get the monitor radio. Stand by. All right, we're on channel 19. Let's see how it sounds. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Testing out this President JFK. We got AM, FM. Yeah, sounding really good, I think. Yeah, I think we got a good sounding radio. Alright, let's move on. We'll put her on the antenna and see what's going on. Maybe we can get some skip, maybe a radio check. Alright, stand by, guys. You're never going to believe what happened. As I'm scrolling through the channels, the channel display goes bad. One of the segments goes blank. Imagine. I'm just happy it happened here and not when the customer got the radio back. So, disaster averted. Yeah, that part of the 6 there went out crazy.
SWR is down, that sucker.
Go back around.
I'm failing at my job. It must be my responsibility. I got you with the shirt patch. But I should be keeping you to my radio. I'm not
Alright guys, I think I'm going to end it there. It's late into the evening and I am tired, but I got the radio done, so alright guys, there you have it. President JFK ready to be put back into use. Thanks for watching.